How to fix microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If your microphone is not working on your Windows computer, then this tutorial will help you or guide you through all the steps to fix it. Whether you are using a laptop, desktop, or different microphone types, let's get it working again. For that, you need to check microphone permission first of all. Right-click on a Start icon, go to Settings. On the left-hand menu, you need to select Privacy and Security option. Scroll down and select App Permission option, and then you need to locate Microphone option. Here you need to ensure microphone access is turned on for the apps you are using, example Skype, Teams, Camera, and many more. Close settings, and after that you need to test your microphone. The next step to follow, if this step did not work for you, is simply configure microphone in control panel. Again, click the search icon or button here at bottom left and type control. Now the control panel appears on your screen. You can click on open button to access it and easily maximize or minimize the window. Now you need to select the sound option and click to open the sound settings. Right-click on your microphone on your playback tab if you find it, and then you need to simply type or click on Set as Default option, as it has already been set to default device only for your speakers. And then you can easily double-click it and go to Labels and ensure the volume is at maximum button. Here you can see we have 100% for the levels of this speaker, and you can easily find your microphone on your recording tab as well. So simply get back and click on recording, and from here you need to simply find your microphone. We can see the microphone array and set it to default, and you need to check levels as above. So from this microphone array you can simply increase the microphone as well and click on OK button. Now click OK button to change the or save the changes. Now once you have done that, you can come back and close the window as well. Now you can run troubleshooters as well. You can click the search icon again from bottom left corner and type in troubleshoot option. Now here you can see the troubleshooting settings. Open it. Here you will find all the troubleshooters. Simply click on it on Windows 11. If you are on Windows 10, you will find troubleshooters option. And you simply need to run the following troubleshooters: recording audio or playing audio. You can click on run button. And once you have done that, you simply need to follow the prompts and restart your computer to apply the fixes. Cross this window, and now you can update the Windows and drivers as well. You can simply go ahead and search for settings, open it. Now you can go to Windows updates at bottom of the screen. You can install any pending updates, and you can update microphone drivers via device manager as well. Again, right click on the start icon and you need to go ahead and open the device manager. You can expand audio inputs and output option. And here you need to right click on your microphone. Now select update driver. Now choose search automatically for drivers and update it. You can search for updated drivers on Windows Update as well and follow the prompts. Now you can finally check Ensure your microphone is properly connected to the correct point, and if you're using a wireless microphone or headphone, ensure it's paired and select it as the default device and restart your computer and test the microphone. So I hope this guide was helpful to fix your microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.